Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete all your Oura Ring data on the Oura Ring app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and delete your account on the Oura Ring app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is open up the Oura Ring app. Next, click on the hamburger icon on the upper left-hand corner. Next, click on Settings. And then from here, you're going to scroll down and then click on Delete Account and All Data. So what that's going to do is that it's going to delete your Oura Ring app account, and it's also going to delete all of its data. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your Oura Ring account and all its data. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.